Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to the video of this morning. Today we'll walk through the process of installing Kali Linux on VirtualBox. I will show you step by step on how to do it the easiest way possible because I've watched a couple of videos where people go through lengthy processes and sometimes usually end up in a crash. Here, you couple of steps, you install Kali Linux on your VirtualBox. So the first step is to go to the Kali Linux official website, kali.org, and then log into this website. Here is the official Kali website, Kali Linux, and then there are two buttons here in the middle, documentation and download. So click on the documentation if you want to get yourself informed on a couple of things that Kali Linux offers. So there's the installation, virtualization, Windows subsystem for Linux. I will do a video on this for you guys to know how it functions for those who want it. And then on this website, once you are here, there are a couple of stuff up here to the community Discord channel, forums, newsletter if you want. It's about a page. So, but what interests us here is Kali itself, the ISO image. So here, get Kali. You click get Kali and then you will land on this website. So since we are installing it on VirtualBox, here are virtual machines. So I recommend you to click this one. Forget about this, all other this one. Look at virtual machines and then click on them. And then these are the various virtual machines: VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and Kumo. Here we'll install today on VirtualBox, and tomorrow or after tomorrow we'll do another video on how to install it on VMware. So on VirtualBox, click the download icon arrow here. I will click download and then it's downloading. And then it's downloading on our downloads folder. So let's get to the downloads. So as you can see, I've already downloaded it here, and then let's just cut it off. We should not download it for the second time. So, but download if you've not downloaded it yet, download it and have it on any folder of your choice, and then we'll get from there. So let me turn it out because I don't want to download it for the second time. And then let me get back to my Explorer. So this is one here. Let me just delete it to avoid any confusion. So here, this is the ISO image that I've already downloaded. So let me extract it because it's a zip file. So let me extract it here. It's going pretty fast. It's not going to take that long to extract. Yeah, you have to extract it. You can extract it. I'm using WinRAR. As you can see here, WinRAR, there's WinZip. You can use WinZip as well. There are other free programs there to use to uncompress files or folders or whatever thing you call it. So the extraction is complete, and then let's look at where it's. So here is it here. So let's minimize this window and then open VirtualBox. So here is VirtualBox. I love it. I've already installed some applications. Here is Windows Server 2022, I think. Here's my Kali, the one that I use, and then here's also Red Hat. I use both of them every day at work. And then I'll also do a video on how to install Windows Server and then activate Active Directory and install the DHCP's protocol, how to configure it, and DNS. So, and how to uh, insert a domain, configure a domain on Active Directory. So I will do a video about that. So if you want to watch that, please leave a comment below and then let me know. I will do it for you. So as you are here now, what should we do? So this Window Explorer, and then we are on the download folder where we've downloaded Kali. Here's Kali. So open this folder, the uncompressed folder. This is it, and then we have two images on it. So the blue one, just double click on the blue one and see what happens. It's very important. Pay attention here and see what I do. I double click on it, automatically look at it. It installs itself on VirtualBox. One, just double click and then you close it. So here you have it here. So what do we do now? You can do a couple of settings and see what how it looks like. So here is it, and then there's the general settings. We'll change the name. We'll change this name to do what we want later on. And then here is the base memory. So let's give it a bit of memory. And the display, let's give it video memory. Yeah, it's good. Let's give it a couple of 2 counts on display. This what is important. Not choose not. If you don't have internet, after that you can use bridge adapter, and then it will work. And then all the other ones stay the same. So as you are here, and then click start, and then as Kali is putting up, it will put up very fast. It's pretty not complicated. Yeah, the background work is already been accomplished, and then very soon you see it appears here. Yeah, Kali is booting. And then you can look at it here. It's in the background. It's already doing its thing. Okay, finish. It's finished. So the standard username, the default username is Kali, and the default password is Kali. So you log in, and then wait a couple of seconds for it to initialize and launch the terminal. So you have Kali on your machine. This is the terminal. Welcome to Kali. You can start using Kali Linux. This is it. Couple of clicks, no headaches, no hiccups. So this is Kali Linux. So you want to make it bigger. Sometimes you can choose the size, the resolution, or resize it to what you want. But I always love using the scale mode. Let me switch it to scale so that I can move it around on my screen, and then I make it larger the way I want. I always use a couple of screens. So yeah. So guys, this is how to install Kali Linux on your on VirtualBox on your machine. So if you want to see a video how to get VirtualBox, I will do that. On VMware, I will do that. So very easy, no headaches. So like the video, share, and then comment. If you want any other thing, please let us know. We'll do that for you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Ciao.